I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Braun In Ear Thermometer. So this is a really great thermometer. I find it's really helpful if you need to take somebody's temperature, but you want to do it really quickly and also very accurately. So it actually stores, if you want to put them in here, probe covers in the back, and this is the case for it. And to take a reading, you just take it out. It's battery powered. It's definitely pretty well balanced, not too big, fits nicely in your hand. You just switch this on. It's going to show you your last reading on there, so you can see if you're tracking somebody who does have a fever, you can see what their last reading was and compare. Then it does have these probe covers on the back. So if you're using this with multiple users, definitely want to switch out the probe cover after each use. And again, you can get those as a refill that store in the back of the case here. And you can eject the current probe cover by pressing this eject button here. It'll just pop it off, and then you push this into the new probe cover and load up another one. Then to actually take the reading, you would place this, and there's instructions with the product, place it correctly into the ear of the person who you're reading the temperature from, follow the instructions that Braun provides, and then you press the temperature read button. Obviously, there's nothing that I'm reading from right here, so it's going to give me low, but that's literally how long it takes to take a reading. Just, probably a second or two that it's doing that reading, and then you'll get the current temperature on the screen here digitally displayed. You also have a battery indicator, so you know if you're starting to run low on batteries, you can pop this open and put new batteries into it. And then this just stores back in here when you're done, and it's just a nice compact unit that's easy to store in a drawer. So a really great option if you're looking for an in-ear thermometer.